Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished Zonshans, honored guests and friends.
Distinguished guests, dear Zonshans, our guest of honor, honored guests, friends, press, media, good evening. The Zonta Code, to honor my work and consider it an opportunity for service, to increase the measure of that service by consistent self-improvement, to contribute by study and action, fair, square, every time, everywhere. Thank you. Guests, please be seated.
We will now have the universal prayer accompanied by a hymn sung by Z and youth members.
Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord.
Thank you to our Z members and youth participants for this beautiful performance. Thank you. No. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please rise for the national anthems. We will honor the national anthems in the following order: Bangladesh, New Zealand, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka.
Now we have the flag parade. I request past President Zonshan Nasima Akhtar of Zonta Club of Dhaka 3 to please come forward and conduct the flag parade ceremony. Thank you. Nasima Akhtar, please.
Distinguished guests in the audience and fellow Zonshans, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome the flag parade of our Zonshan members of district. I would like all the flag bearers to come on stage, please. Thank you, everybody. Please be seated. Thank you.
So now it's my great pleasure to introduce the sensational pop icon, Mehreen Mahmood, a voice that has defined a generation with her soulful music and inspiring energy. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause to the one and only Mehreen Mahmood.
Let the violence vanish. Let our voices flourish. For peace and justice, we march in equal rights. জুড়ে জাগে এক নতুন আশা কণ্ঠে কণ্ঠে মেলাই ঐক্যের ভাষা প্রতি মেয়ের তরে প্রতি নারীর হাতে গড়ব পৃথিবী মোরা একসাথে
Thank you, Mehreen. That was amazing. We loved your enthralling performance. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite our conference chair, Sonia Panni, to address her welcome address for you.
Tonight, we open a very special chapter, one that celebrates our shared missions of building a better world for women and girls. Our theme for this biennial conference has been Dreaming to Do, Vision, Voice, Victory. Beautifully reflects the spirit of Zonta. We are dreamers with determination, people who see the world not only as it is, but as it can be, as how we would like to see it. We speak with courage, act with conviction, and turn our dreams into deeds that change lives. Our organization stands firmly on four pillars, which are our core values: integrity, respect, empowerment, and service.
We do the candle lighting ceremony after the inaugural speech of the governor.
This is not merely an inauguration, rather a celebration of our resilience. The women who used to whisper, now they speak with conviction and they are heard. Our 18th biennial district theme is Dreaming to Doing. Dreaming is the blueprint of your destiny. And if you don't work towards it, it will never see the light of the earth. It will not breathe. It will not see permanence. Today is a very special day because we have here in Bangladesh mosaic of Nepal, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and we are not just a district, but we are hope and a helping hand across the border.
Thank you, Governor Zareen, for your inspiring words. May I request Lieutenant Governor Ratan Abdul Hussain to respond on behalf of District 25.
To our honored speakers and guests of renown, whose voices uplift, never weigh down. Your words are seeds that surely will grow. In every Zontian heart, their power will show. To our leaders of Zonta, past and today, you guide us with compassion and show us the way. Your vision, your wisdom, your steady command keep Zonta's mission strong and grand. To our hosts, Bangladesh, so gracious, so kind, your welcome has truly delighted each mind. From the colors, the smiles, the care you show, your warmth makes our district spirits glow.
Yeah, do you hear me? Yes. Welcome. Once again, I welcome you all with a special moment of joy as we have our guest, Zonta International Board Director and Liaison for District 25, Philippa Jacob Laurie, travel all the way from New Zealand.
It's always an honour to be amongst fellow Zontians, women and men who give so much of themselves to make the world a better place for women and girls. And to be here in Dhaka, surrounded by such warmth and hospitality, and the energy makes it even more special. And I thank you very much for your welcome. The future we are building depends on the example we set today. In District 25, you are showing the world what leadership and determination, kindness and inclusion looks like. You are inspiring the next generation of women and men to lead with empathy and integrity. So tonight, I simply want to say thank you for your commitment, thank you for your service, thank you for your belief of the power of action and the strength of your communities. You changed the story for women and girls, not just in Bangladesh, but all around the world and all through your district.
Thank you for your inspiring words and leadership. Your insights motivate us to continue our mission with renewed energy and commitment. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite ZIF and ZIF Passport Director, Parliamentarian Chair, Bylaws, Rules and Resolution Committee, Mrs. Dilruba Ahmad, to please deliver her address.
Zonta is the only one world that we dream of today, because every woman in Zonta knows what she ought to do. And Zonta International encourage every woman from the grassroots level to the astronaut what they could do. Build leadership.
A symbol of hope, wisdom, and enlightenment, I invite guests of honor, Zonta International Rep and District Liaison, Zonta Philippa Jacob, Laurie, His Excellency Lulzim Plana, Ambassador of the Republic of Kosovo, Chief Guest. As these candles are lit, and Bibi Russell, I see you here too, please join us. As these candles are lit, this reminds us of unity, compassion, and empowerment, and an unwavering commitment to advancing the status of women and girls across our district and the world. Thank you for gracing this auspicious ceremony. You can go ahead one by one. Please move ahead. This is a yellow rose for each of you, symbolizing
Symbolizing our Zonta unity, Zonta friendship, and Zonta love. This is a very special Zonta yellow rose. As you can see, the stem is long.
Zonta International Noble Mission to build a better world for women and girls reflects the highest ideals of human progress. In the Republic of Kosovo, we share this vision deeply. Our nation's story, young yet resilient, is profoundly shaped by the courage and determination of women. Today, this evening, I want to honor the strength, courage, and resilience of the women of Kosovo, and all other women, of course, but both during the war and in the years that followed. During the Kosovo War that we had in 98 and 99, women faced unimaginable hardship. Many were forced to flee their homes, care for their families under bombardment from the Serbian regime forces, and endure violence and loss. Thousands of women were victims of sexual violence used as a weapon of war, a trauma that left deep scars on individuals and the nation itself. Yet even in those darkest days, Kosovo women showed extraordinary courage. They kept families alive, documented human rights abuses, and later became key voices for justice and reconciliation. After the war, women took on new roles in rebuilding Kosovo as teachers, doctors, activists, and leaders, determined to transform pain into progress. Today, their contributions continue to shape Kosovo's path toward peace, democracy, and equality. Their stories remind us that women are not only victims of war, they are the heart of recovery and the architects of peace. But the story of Kosovo women, it's not only of suffering. It is one of unbreakable strength. After the war, they rose from the ashes, rebuilding their families, their communities, and their country. They turned pain into purpose and grief into courage. Today, their spirit lives in every woman who dares to speak out, to lead, to dream. The women of Kosovo remind us that even when the world falls apart, women are the ones who hold it together. Let us honor them, not just with words, but also with action. Let us stand together, support one another, and continue their legacy of courage, hope, and love. Dear friends, since independence, Kosovo has proudly had 2 women presidents, an extraordinary reflection of our people's belief in women's leadership. Their wisdom and dedication have guided our democratic path, representing the strength and integrity that women bring to public life.
Thank you for your encouraging words and your inspirational words. We look forward to visiting Kosovo. Thank you.
Let me just say, you are most welcome. Kosovo welcomes, as we are having our president, former president, deputy prime minister, ministers, our minister of foreign affairs, and I think you are most welcome. We have just to sit and talk, and then I think I'm really looking forward to our future collaborations. And I'm really very grateful to you for this. Thank you, Mr.
It's my pleasure to introduce Bibi Russell, an internationally acclaimed fashion designer, former model from Bangladesh.
You support my work, but today I want to tell you my work is to show the beauty lies on poverty. That's it. I knew I was coming. How you carry yourself, that's very important. So, support local craft, show the world they have magical fingers. By giving them trust, respect their human dignity. Once again, thank you, Zonta International, everyone.
With our Bangladeshi or national bird, Doel, and our Shapla Phul.
Give her a standing ovation. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, please join me in welcoming our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Hussain Zillur Rahman, for his address.
And today, I got a glimpse of the type of work you do, and I think the importance of this work, the focus on women, is so central, not just in Bangladesh, but I feel there is a responsibility as a man in our society that we have to take on board. Because empowered women, society needs to, in a way, accept empowered women. Society needs to respect empowered women. Society needs to give this space to empowered women.
1 presidents, Area 2 presidents. These are the leaders that stand at the forefront of our mission and the respective clubs. Through their dedication and hard work and vision, they have inspired their members. Today, we proudly recognize and honor each of them as we call each president. We request them to please come forward to receive the awards. We will start off with Area 1. Our distinguished governor will be presenting the award.
These are the presidents who carry on the goals of Zonta International through their clubs, through their own funds, and also through fundraising. We are extremely proud of these leaders. If there are no members, there are no president. If there's no president, there's no area director. If there's no area director, there's no governor. So they are the pillar of our strength. Thank you.
Thank you.
On behalf of all of us present here, I wish to express our heartfelt appreciation to the organizers of this awe-inspiring opening ceremony and to those who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make it such a memorable occasion. Thank you for your leadership and vision that have brought us together. In spite of all the challenges faced, you have brought us together to this wonderful gathering of Zontians, united in the purpose and friendship. As we begin our conference, let us carry forward the inspiration of this evening by the achievements we have celebrated and renewed in our shared vision. This unity gives us energy, purpose, and as we begin our deliberations. Thank you, and a warm congratulations to all once again.
Something to cheer you and fulfill the dreams of your soul. I know, and fill your stomach at the same time. May I request our past president, Nahreen Rahman, to please come up here as she has a special celebration for all of us.
I'll
you.
just say a few words. Thank you so much, Sonia. The programs, the theme is Evolution of Saris from my perception. Lights, please.
সাগর রক্তের বিনিময়ে বাংলার স্বাধীনতা আনলে যারা, আমরা তোমাদের ভুলবো না। এক সাগর যার ছায়া পড়েছে মনের আয়নাতে, সে কি তুমি না, ওগো তুমি না। যার ছায়া পড়েছে মনের আয়নাতে, সে কি তুমি না, ওগো তুমি না। যার ছায়া পড়েছে মনের আয়না।
যদি বউ সাজো গো আরো সুন্দর লাগবে গো, যদি বউ সাজো গো আরো সুন্দর লাগবে গো। যদি বউ সাজো গো আরো সুন্দর লাগবে গো, যদি বউ সাজো গো আরো সুন্দর লাগবে গো।
বলো বলো আর বলো লাগছে মন্দ না, খুশি বলো পাপা আমায় দুষ্টু বলে বেবি। No, Daddy. পাপা আমায় দুষ্টু বলে বলুক, আমায় যারা দুষ্টু বলে বলুক, যার যা খুশি বলুক, পাপা আমায় দুষ্টু বলে বলুক।
ঠিক ঠিক